Hello guys. This video will guide you through setting up your new electric lock. First, we'll unbox and review all the parts. Then, we'll walk you through the complete installation process. This is the clutch key, used to retract the latch manually. Assemble the strike plate and the deadbolt. Insert the lock body into the assembled strike plate. With the door closed, hold the lock and strike plate against the door, and frame to find the correct position. The right edge of the lock's backplate must align flush with the edge of the door frame. The strike plate position can be fine-tuned slightly if needed. Mark the position of the lock. Drill pilot holes and secure with screws, or weld directly if applicable. After mounting the lock body, place the strike plate against it. Align the strike plate parallel to the lock and mark its position. Remove the deadbolt, then mark the screw holes for the strike plate. Install the mounting screws for the strike plate. Reinstall the deadbolt, followed by the washer and the U-clip. Close the door to check alignment. Rotate the clutch key 90 degrees clockwise to retract, and hold the latch in the open position. Connect the electric lock to the control board. Connect the red wire to the terminal marked Lock Plus. Connect the blue wire to the terminal marked Lock Dash. To set the electric lock's activation time, press and hold the Funk button for 5 seconds, then release. Press the Ink button until the display shows PB. Press Funk to confirm. Press Ink again until the display shows 03. Press Funk to confirm. Press the Learn button to exit programming mode. Press a button on your remote. The lock's latch should retract. It will automatically re-engage after the 3-second delay you set. Installation is now complete.